Study grade and allow most kind and merciful. My name is Ali Rachana, K80 48 Pro number. Today my subject is data structure, contents, define data structure, searching, searching techniques, sorting, notation, inflex, and prefix. Data structure. It is the mathematically and logically model. Example: tree, graph, limb, list, stick, and queue. Definition data structure. Data structure is a way to collecting and organizing data in such a way that we can perform operation on those data in an effective way. Data structure is about rendering remaining data elements and things of some relationship for better organization and store. And simply data structure are structure program but to organize data so that version operation can be performed on it easily. It, it represents the knowledge of data to be organized in memory. It should be designed and implemented in such a way that it reduces the complexity and increase the efficiency. As we have discussed above, anything can store data can be called as a data structure. Hence, integer, float, boolean, star, etc. All are data structure. They are known as primitive data structure. Define data structure. Introduction to data structure is a chart of characters. Define data structure. Then we also have some complex data structure which are used to store, learn, and connect data. Some examples of abstract data structure are linked list, tree, graph, stack, queue, etc. All those data structures allow us to perform different operations on data. Searching techniques. Searching is an operation of data structure. It finds the person of desired data items in the list of data of items. It, it may also find the collection of all items that stack the contain conditions. Search algorithm. In computer science, a search algorithm is an algorithm for finding an item with a specific property among a collection of items. Searching techniques. There are few techniques of searching algorithms such as binary search, linear search, Functional search, jump search, interpretation search, sub-list search. Searching techniques. Searching algorithms are designed to pick for an element from a data structure where is a short based on the type of searching operations, type of searching operator of type of searching, binary search, linear search, interpretation, interpretation search. Sorting. In computer science, sorting usually refers to the bringing a set of atoms into some well-defined order. To be able to do this, usually what is meant by sorting is that once the sorting process is finished, there is a simple way to visiting all the atoms in order. For example, to print out the contents of a database, this this may well mean define things depending on how the data is being sorting. A sorting algorithm is an algorithm that push element of a list in a creating order. The most user order used are numerical order and lexicographic order. Efficient sorting is important to operate optimizing the user of other algorithms, such as searching and merge algorithms, which require input data to be in sorted list. It is also often useful for data and for producing human reliable output. Sorting. In- Inter- Indirect sorting algorithm. Com- compression-based selection sort, bubble sort, in- insertion sort, rich recursive sorting algorithm, comparison-based merge sort, quick sort, radix sort, non-comparison based sorting strategies. Common sorting strategies in, emergent sorting, extent sorting, select, selection sorting, insulation sorting, divide and conquer. Type of sorting algorithms: instruction sort, selection sort, bubble sort, heap store, heap store sort, merge sort, shell sort. There are also other sorting algorithms like radix sort, book sort, and thumb sorting. Notation: arithmetic arithmetic expression in exact expression is defined as a number of operated or data items combined using several operators. There are basically three types of notation for an expression: infix notation, prefix notation, postfix notation. Infix notation, it is most common notation in which the operator is right and placed in between the two operands for easy example. The expression to take two numbers a and b is right in infix notation. In this example, the operator is placed in between the operator A and B. The reason why this notation called infix. Prefix notation. It is also called Polish notation, named after in the honor of the mathematical John Lewis, refers to notation in which the operator is placed before the operand S operator plus is placed before the operator A and B. This notation is called prefix. Pre means before. Postfix. In the postfix notation, the operator are right after the operand as it is called positive notation. Postfix notation. Notation post means after. It is also known as suffix notation or reverse Polish notation. The above postfix, if right, written in postfix notation, looks like follows: AB plus. Thank you so much.